Somewhere in the silent depths of the universe, beyond the reach of light, beyond the limits of imagination, there exists a place where everything we know begins to break down. A place where time slows, space bends, and reality itself starts to unravel. This is a black hole. It doesn't shine, it doesn't glow, it doesn't announce its presence, and yet it is one of the most powerful forces in existence. To understand a black hole, we must begin with a star. Not just any star, but one far more massive than our sun. For millions, even billions of years, it burns, fusing atoms, creating light, holding itself together against the crushing force of its own gravity. But every star has an end, and when a massive star runs out of fuel, it doesn't fade quietly, it collapses. In a fraction of a second, everything it once was caves inward. The core compresses with unimaginable force, triggering an explosion so violent it can outshine entire galaxies, a supernova. But what remains is something even more extraordinary. The core continues collapsing, shrinking, compressing, until all its mass is squeezed into a point smaller than an atom, a singularity. Around it forms a boundary, invisible yet absolute, the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Cross it and nothing escapes. Not matter, not energy, not even light. Imagine drifting through space, approaching this cosmic abyss. At first, nothing seems unusual. The stars still shimmer in the distance. But slowly, something feels wrong. Light begins to distort. The stars stretch, bend, swirl around you like a living painting. Time itself starts to change. To an outside observer, you appear to slow down, your movement stretching into infinity. But to you, everything feels normal, until it doesn't. As you get closer, gravity tightens its grip, not evenly, but violently. Your feet are pulled harder than your head. Your body begins to stretch, thinner, longer, pulled apart atom by atom, a process scientists call spaghettification. It sounds almost absurd, but it is brutally real. And yet, black holes are not just destroyers, they are creators, architects of galaxies, shaping the universe in ways we are only beginning to understand. At the center of almost every galaxy, including our own, lies a supermassive black hole, millions, even billions of times more massive than the sun, invisible yet essential. They anchor galaxies, influence the birth of stars, and control the motion of entire cosmic systems. Without them, the universe as we know it might not exist. And still, they remain deeply mysterious. What happens beyond the event horizon? Does time truly stop? Does information disappear forever? Or is it somehow preserved? These questions have puzzled the greatest minds for decades. Some theories suggest black holes might not be the end, but a doorway, a bridge to another part of the universe, or perhaps another universe entirely. Others believe they slowly evaporate over time, releasing energy back into space, whispering secrets we are yet to decode. In 2019, humanity captured the first ever image of a black hole, not the black hole itself, but its shadow, a glowing ring of fire surrounding a perfect darkness. Proof that these cosmic giants are not just theory, they are real, and they are watching, silently, endlessly, shaping the universe from the shadows. The more we learn about black holes, the more they challenge everything we think we know about gravity, about time, about reality itself. They remind us that the universe is not just vast, it is strange, unpredictable, and full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And perhaps that's what makes them so captivating, because in trying to understand black holes, we are not just exploring space, we are exploring the limits of human knowledge, standing at the edge of the unknown, staring into the darkest place in existence, and asking a simple, timeless question: what lies beyond?